Got a Wix header that won't go full width? Here's the quick 2025 fix to stretch it edge to edge. Open your Wix editor and click on your header section. You'll see small handles on the sides. Make sure it's set to stretch under the inspector or layout settings. If it's inside a container, click the container and choose stretch to flow width. Next, check the strip settings. Toggle on full width background. Adjust the content alignment to center so elements stay balanced on all screens. Preview it. Your header should now span the entire page. No white gaps left or right. If it still doesn't, go to Page Settings, Layout, and ensure the page itself is set to full width, not box. And that's it. Your Wix header is now full width and looking sharp across all devices. A design fix that makes your 2025 site look instantly more modern.